Okay, now we're making our bread salad. These are the ingredients. We have homemade croutons, we have mayo, we have, is that yogurt or sour cream? Sour cream. So the proportions are important. So we have chopped egg for our salad, 2 eggs. And over here we are mixing our dressing, which is 1 8-ounce container of sour cream, 3 heaping tablespoons full of mayo. And now we're going to combine our ingredients.
2 cups corn.
And you can add garlic if you want, if you like. But she's decided today she's not gonna add. Yeah, not gonna do that. You can also, in the original recipe, there is a little bit of chicken shredded, like boiled and shredded chicken. You can add this.
So it's optional. You can add some boiled and shredded chicken. You can add fresh herbs if you like, whatever you like. I think tarragon would be good in here, and dill.
She's adding her croutons, but you can add any kind of croutons you like. The ones that.
We're going to add 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and we also have some homemade croutons, but you don't add the croutons until the very end when you serve your salad. Okay, so now Altun is finishing dressing her salad. She's adding her homemade croutons. You want to add them at the last minute. She's giving them a toss. Now this is a vegetarian version, but you can also do a version with boiled shredded chicken as well. And then for a final touch and a pretty accent, we're going to add the sliced tomatoes.